This technique can be used to perform a serial dilution. This is when you dilute a sample several times to achieve several different dilutions. For example, suppose you have a urine sample that you need to test for the presence of microorganisms. You are not sure what concentration the microorganisms are in the urine, so you do not know which dilution you need to make to achieve a countable sample. For example, if you perform a 10% dilution, it may be too concentrated and you have too many microorganisms to count. Or if you perform a 0.1% dilution, the sample may be too dilute and you do not have enough microorganisms to count. To perform a serial dilution, first start with a 10% dilution. Remove 1% of the urine and dilute it in 9 milliliters of sterile distilled water. Then, take 1 milliliter of the 10% dilution and place that in 9 milliliters of sterile distilled water to achieve a 1% dilution. Then you can remove 1 milliliter of the 1% dilution and add it to 9 milliliters of sterile distilled water to achieve a 0.1% dilution. This process can be continued on and on until you achieve a series of dilution, so you are sure that one or two of them are just the right concentration to achieve a countable culture. This completes this lesson on aseptic technique.